Guys, for today's video, hindi ko alam kung is it a good news ba or medyo nakukulangan ako sa news or what. But ang pag-uusapan natin for today, alam nyo naman na I'm a techie kind of person. So yung tech and yung financing, syempre kahit papaano magandang improvement yan. Nakapag-discuss na tayo previously all about the tap to pay feature. Now, the news is that, sabi ni BSP, the door is now open for Apple Pay, Google Pay, and even Samsung Pay to enter in the Philippine market. Ano yung details nito? Totoo ba to? Well, yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Sasamahan niyo ako. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here in my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron na akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na ng videos and playlist na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Totoo ba to? Hindi ko rin alam. Okay, context. So, may article na nilabas na iba't ibang media news sites na stating about this new development ng pag-enter ni Apple Pay and Google Pay or even si Samsung Pay din. Ano ba yun? Okay. So, naalala nyo previously na nakipag-usap si BSP with Apple Pay and Google Pay for them na malaman kung ano yung line of business nila. BSP wants to understand kung paano ba tumatakbo yung sistema. And then, just recently, regarding sa news, they found out na hindi naman pala kailangan mag-register ni Apple Pay or ni Google Pay or even si Samsung Pay as a payment operator because hindi naman sila payment operators. Ayan. So, basahin natin isang news from Inquirer.net about this development. Okay, ito, galing sa businessinquirer.net. Sabi niya, door opens for Apple Pay, Google Pay's Philippine debut. Manila, Philippines, Apple Pay and Google Pay could help the country shifts toward a cash-light economy following a policy clarification from the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP that may hasten the entry of the two global tech giants into the local payment ecosystem. And kung narinig niyo yung news na yun about yung MRT na naglagay na sila ng terminal for the credit cards, yan, yung mga tap-to-pay feature, yan, i-feature natin yan sa susunod na video. Test natin yung mga cellphone, cards, etc. dun sa MRT. Okay. In the recent press chat, BSP Deputy Governor Mamerto Tangonan said that the central bank does not consider the two services as operators of payment system or OPS. OPS or operator of payment system are the likes of GCash, Maya, Coins.ph, etc., which are required to register with a regulator. He explained that since Apple and Google Pay merely facilitate transaction and do not hold customer funds like a digital wallet, they fall outside of the scope of the OPS regulations. Ilalagay lang yung mga cards natin, mga credit card, debit card, yan, Master, Visa, sa loob ng Apple Pay. And basically, yung mga card issuer, sila pa rin ang naghahawak ng mga funds. It's just that si Apple Pay and Google Pay ang may technology. Para lang din yung iba't ibang cellphone sa Android, di ba? Iisa lang na Android yung OS, pero may iba't ibang klaseng brand ng cellphone. So, si Apple and Google would act like a different brands of cellphone na ang nakalagay dun sa cellphone na yon ay yung mga credit cards and debit cards natin. Okay, so since hindi na sila OPS, paano na sila papasok dito sa Philippine market? Well, ang sabi ni BSP ay nakadepende yan sa mga card issuer or OPS mismo. Katulad na lang ng mga credit cards. For example, mga HSBC, East West. If they partnered with Apple and implement it, then we can now register those cards inside the Apple Pay and Google Pay. So basically, kailangan makipagtrabaho ng mga card issuer, ng mga bangko natin kay Apple Pay at Google Pay para ma-include mga cards natin sa kanila. And then, pag nagkaroon tayo ng problem, hindi si Apple Pay or Google Pay ang mainly responsible. It is still the card issuer ang may responsibility sa mga transactions natin. Okay, for our question of the day, sa tingin nyo, paano kumita si Apple Pay and Google Pay sa mga transaction natin kung hindi naman sila OPS or operator of payment system? Let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay L. Rayos at CJ Rayos 3141, and then medyo mahaba. And then sabi niya, good day and God bless. Yan. At CJ Rayos 3141 or L Rayos, shoutout po sa inyo. Thank you so much po na nag-subscribe po kayo dito sa channel ko. I hope na may matutunan po kayong mga information about enriching your personal finance. I hope you can like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!